challenge. Let's get dressed first. Hello my love, and welcome back to another video. I'm just having some warm lemon water just to help with digestion. But welcome back to today's video, and as you can tell from the title, I have fallen off. I have not been consistent with eating right and working out properly. I just haven't been able to, get back on track on eating right. I've had a few overeating episodes. I don't want to say the B word. But today we are going to get back on track. It's okay to walk into the wrong room, but it's not okay to stay there. So we are walking out of the room. And I've attempted this multiple times. Today, hopefully, is the last one. So for today, what do we have planned out? We are going to do a Pilates workout. We are going to journal a bit. We are going to read our Bible. We are going to pray. Why am I starting out with a Pilates workout? It's actually a Pilates challenge. Starting to eat right, that's a bit difficult for me. But if I start just like saying, okay, all I need to do is work out, and I continue the challenge, I'm actually going to stick to it. I'm going to stay consistent. So it's Pilates by Izzy. I'm scared. I won't even lie to you. I've seen the TikTok reviews. They say it's hard. I don't like hard things. I like moderate things. I don't want to feel like I'm dying. The results are fading. So we need to wake up and put in more hard work. It's really hot in this, but for the aesthetic, I'm gonna keep it on. That is the plan for today. Come on with me and let us get our lives back. Let us lock in. And it's summertime, guys. It's almost summer. Let us get back on track. Thank you so much for watching.
Over after school today.
Hey loves, I just wanted to pop in and say that I actually did not go through with the Pilates by Izzy's challenge. Instead, I did Madeline Abbott's challenge, which I think will be easier for me to stick to. And this really is just a reminder to listen to your body, because I felt amazing afterwards. And one thing I love about Pilates is that it pairs really well with cardio. So after I did my Pilates workout of the day, I went and did a Pamela aerobic exercise, which was super fun, by the way. This is your second reminder that you should enjoy your exercises.
I look like a freaking ghost.